So this is just a brief overview of Modulus and how you can apply it in Python programming. I have a couple examples here that I'm going to go through and how you can actually relate it to a common use or something you would actually do in a Python program or how you could apply it functionally. So first, example one, Karen and Danny are in the office when they receive a delivery of donuts. They're given 5 donuts and told to share them equally. So this would simulate if you had a 5 modulus 2, why you would want to solve this. You have 5 donuts, you have 2 people. How can you figure out what the modulus or what that round remainder is? So we have Karen, we have Danny, and this is how we could write it out in our code. So what I did was I just took the 2 modulus numbers and put them to a variable. So I have donuts as 5 because there's 5 donuts. I have 2 people, so I assign that the variable of people. And I printed out a statement that says after everyone gets an equal number of donuts, there will be, and I took the number of donuts on the modulus 5 with 2 and converted it to a string and then put it in this print statement of what's left over. So let's start with, we have 1 donut we're going to give to Karen, 1 donut we're going to give to Danny. So that's 2 donuts out of our 5 so far. We have 1 donut we're going to give to Karen, 1 donut we're going to give to Danny. Perfect. They both have equal amounts. That's 4 out of the 5 donuts. So we have 5 donuts, but we only have 1 left to give. And I can't equally give that donut to Karen or equally give that to Danny and then have them both have the same amount. So when it comes to 5 modulus of 2, the remainder is going to be 1. So after everyone gets an equal number of donuts, there will be 1 donut left. So 5 modulus 2 will give you 1. So another example here. Karen and Danny and Michael are grabbing some pizza for lunch. They want to make sure each of them get an equal amount of pizza, and if any's left over, they're just going to leave it in the break room. So this could simulate 8 modulus 3. The reason I did 8 was because there's 8 slices in a pizza. There's 3 people. So again, we can have those 3 people, Karen, Danny, and Michael. And if we were to write it out in code, pizza, we have 8 pieces of pizza. We have 3 people, so that's the 8 modulus 3. And after everyone gets an equal number of slices of pizza, there will be, and I'm just printing it out again as a string, left over. So we're going to give Karen 1, we're going to give Danny 1, we're going to give Michael 1, that's 3 out of the 8. Again, Karen, Danny, Michael, that's 6 out of the 8. Now we have 2 pieces left because 8 minus 6 equals 2, but there's 3 people, so we can't split that equally. So our 8 modulus 3 will then give us 2. So after everyone gets an equal number of slices of pizza, there will be 2 left over. So for the third example, Michael buys cupcakes for the office and has Karen, Danny, and himself each bring a friend to enjoy them. Michael bought 9 cupcakes and hopes to distribute them evenly amongst the 6 people and bring the remaining home. So this could simulate 9 modulus 6. You have 9 cupcakes, you have 6 people, so we have Karen, Michael, Danny, we have their 3 friends, that's 6 altogether. If we were to write it out in code, we have 9 cupcakes, we have 6 people, just assigning the values to a variable, and we're printing out after everyone gets an equal number of cupcakes, there will be, again, that cupcakes modulus people, converting it to a string, left over. So let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're giving out those 6 cupcakes. Each person has 1. We can't give out any more, so we have that extra 3 left over. So because that equal amount of 6 was given out and each one person was able to get 1 cupcake, we're not able to then distribute those 3 out equally. So 9 modulus 6 would then give us 3 as a remainder. So after everyone gets an equal number of cupcakes, there will be 3 left over. So this is just a quick overview of Modulus, how it works, how you can apply it in Python programming with just simple examples.